Hey, so welcome back, folks. So today we have an old-fashioned. Okay, when I started thinking about what drink have you had the most in your life, what cocktail have you had more of than any others, it's the old-fashioned. I love them. There are so many different varieties of them out there. I can't get tired of them. But when I started thinking about, well, what's your favorite one? And this was a combination of cocktails and a couple of thoughts and ideas, and this is my favorite one. It has 3 ingredients, super, super simple, but I think this is the key. Wild Turkey 101. Most old fashions call for a rye bourbon. This is a bourbon, it's not a rye, but it has a high rye content, so I like that. So, Wild Turkey 101. Simple sugar, 1-to-1 ratio, sugar, water, go for it. Angosturo Bitters, this is just Angosturo in a bitters bottle. It's made by Whiskey. You know I like Whiskey. So, into a mixing glass. It is so, so simple. We're gonna do 2 ounces of Wild Turkey 101. Now 101 is the proof of the Wild Turkey. There are different ones out there that have lower proof. We're gonna use 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. There we go. Now, if you like them a little sweeter, add a little bit more. Bitters. There are so many bitters on the planet. I chose this one. There's so many good ones. 2 or 3 dashes. I will tend to go to 3 almost all the time. 1, 2, 3. It also adds a lot of coloring to the drink as well. We're going to mix that around in our mixing glass. All right, that should do. Whiskey, you know it, Viski. This is their old-fashioned glass. And I'm going to use an ice block in this. It comes out of this mold here. I don't know who makes it. I'll find out and put a link below. It works really well. It's silicone, just great. Here's a key tip, not a trip. We're not going on a trip yet. Put the ice cube in before the drink so that you don't splash. Guess why I had to change my shirt? Just that good. All right, folks, over our big old ice cube. Then, I tend to be one that doesn't require garnishes. This one, I've tried it with the orange and without the orange, and I think in this case, the orange is absolutely a requirement. It elevates the drink, it adds a little more complexity. It's not in the drink already, but I think it's worth it. So just give it a little squeeze over the top, into the glass it goes. Give it a swirl. This is how we swirl. But here you go, the Wild Turkey Old Fashioned. One of my favorite drinks on the planet, bar none. Cheers, folks. Stay safe, enjoy. Wow. That's my favorite old fashioned. I hope you'd like it. And if you don't have anything else to do, there's a subscribe button down here or up there, somewhere around here. Hit that button and subscribe for us. We appreciate it. Take care, folks.